Red! Oh, this man never can be a yard, you know. Never can be a yard. Red! Man,
Mike, yo, my ease up and do
I
it.
just say that, relax yourself, man. I'm trouble come for you. What you deal with you? I'm going to check two girls up the road. What you say? Up to it?
What you say? Where they in there?
Can't believe you say no more I want. I two girls be passing in the area. Right up there, so. You don't know, say, me, you know. Me come here, if me did that phone, I call you, matter of fact. That's why I come bang on the door. Yo, me say the girl up there, I don't want to go up there alone, because you know, say one man go which part two girls have a problem. Nothing now go run. So you're forward or you're not forward. Just make me know if I know. So me know if me want to go up there by myself.
What you mean if me have forward? You know, say for girl business, me have to involve. So come on, go look for your girl them right now. For a girl, I know, so I'm ready, like Freddy.
No, you're talking. Let's move it, boy.
So I said, hot girl around there.
You could have asked that some nice skin girl.
Yo, me always you talk about girl now. I always want to laggy girl, me hear you talk about in a papa.
I like a girl might better one than a gear
No,
bone.
no, brother, I want to laggy girl daddy. Hot girl more. Talk about Brazilian hair, long nails, pedicure.
Girl you like?
Oh, you mean daddy?
I like a girl with a bushy hair.
Boy,
Call it, you know.
sorry for you. Sorry for you.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Wow, I kill her.
Okay, how you hot girl in over there? Where you in there?
What's that, man?
Nothing on the veranda.
She inside, man. Thoroughly.
Call up your man them then, man.
That's what I'm phone there. That's the man. Come on, man. She must hear me.
Call.
No call woman pan banger. Let's relax, man.
That's a call me, you know.
Oh, she coming.
Oh, are you?
That's
We can't deal with it right now. You have to come back later. Alright.
But my love is still here.
Alright. I'm kind of busy you know, so you have to come back later.
So, Papa, I can't really come around my youth. Woman style me.
Relax, man, you. Just relax, man. I just one girl, lad.
All you don't really mean style, though. You in style. You know what I do? I girl on me.
One girl for bar, what you do? What you go and go do? We choke the chicken.
No, man, I'm Alex, I make love down there.
Relax, man. I'm coming and go to the road, man.
So, come on, then. Yo, Papa, I'm in my yard, I'm going to my youth. That me tell you.
Listen, man. Listen, man. I'm so calm down with man. Listen, man, you. Tell you. Let's see how we walk up all day. Every one of them check them busy, them this and that. I say go. And every day I go bingo. If you humble can't suck your most milk. So we check 20 of them today. 9 catch. I say go. We don't get none. Them busy. It's just like a busy normal day.
Papa, remember I tell me, sir, I saw hot girl him daddy. Me I go up with bad man and go that disrespect me my youth. Me never know say that can't go up with some me get disrespect. Bad man. Never know my youth. How can I waste mission that can't go up on? Say hot girl them definitely know two girls up the lane.
This is the part where you know. You know, listen to the word when I say. I say them a hot girl. Me never say them cute. You never go up on the ends and say, yo, some hot box them there. That's how you work. Me never say a cute girl. Come on, bro. Me just say, yo, a hot girl.
Yo, you know say you do. I'm not get one of girl them. I see some one of girl them come out in a youth. And see you back and tell her. Hook one flower back and tell her, see you, you know, no style in the youth. I not go back no with you again. That me I tell you. And no style, the thing should be done. My youth, I'm waste all my day. You could have chop all the line, daddy. I tell boy I can go look for girl and say my youth. This next time, no come on me all. I come book me door, come talk about Reds. That me don't come back for me next time, daddy. That me I tell, come now, they on them the low movements again.
Listen, me understand what you're trying to tell me, you know. Me stop if I'm choppy line. I don't care if you want chop line or you want this line. But me I tell you see, you tell me something, don't care about one end. You see, tomorrow morning, you want nice fluffy girl down the road for the check. I said, since I just said, you now roll back with me, don't show up tomorrow. I said, you come down as a friend.
Hold on. What you say? A nice fluffy girl that come down. You know what, Papa? You have to make me get the girl there, you know. You know, say, a fluffy girl I like, you know. You don't want you play with me, this mission. You know?
Look how life funny. The man just cussed me a while ago. So me tap him from chop it line. Me spoil up him whole year, but as they hear about the fluffy a come down. You want to see her. But no, yeah, no girl. Because me not too like fluffy girl. Me like the little natural slim as them. But me not too have a problem with them. But you what me say now? Relax yourself, man. Just go on home, fresh up, and then tomorrow morning you link me.
Alright then. Tomorrow then you go link your fluffy.
Well, me not tell you like it's a must, but you know. Right, you know, you see the girl team business, you know. You have to keep it down on a level, you know, because you see what I go on right, you know. Because you remember the man I seen chop in the closet? Right now, him chopping a one right, you know.
Jesus.
And one out here, same thing happen to him, you know. You know what? Let me make sure I tell you this. This thing will change my mind. Everything cancel. You see, if you want to check it fluffy and chop in the closet, you go on, but me I go on my yard, go chop in the closet.
Good evening or good afternoon, good morning. I don't know what time of day it is where you are, but big up yourself and welcome to the channel. Long time subscribers, a kind reminder for you guys to like this video. Thank you. No. And if you're first time over here, definitely subscribe. So, we never yet reason with, a great Popeye. So that's how we're going to do in this one, people. We're going to talk to Popeye. Probably try getting a... So Popeye. Why your real name though? Tell the people why your real name.
Oh, my real name? I think I want to keep that confidential.
Your real name is Jeremy. Just member. Just blouse that skirt member. So before we talk reasoning now, my general.
Yeah.
One bag of things are going on in the country. We'll start there. So, corona, lockdown. One whole heap of things are going on in the country. What you think about it? What you think about all the
when
things them where?
Money, in a poor days like this, you have to distract.
It sound like the lockdown and thing affect you, man.
Yeah. Because
So
I'm losing 2 days out of work every day.
So-
and it's not righteous.
So what? You lose 2 days of work?
Every week, 2 days.
4 days
Days
cool.
now, because Saturday I don't open, Sunday I don't open. Then Monday, Tuesday, I have to close. Why sense? Me I lose profit, me I lose everything.
So you think about everything we are going on in the country?
Well, to what me say I go on in a fear.
I don't understand. Expound upon that.
Alright, if I'm doing a lockdown, I'm doing a total lockdown as in give everybody food at the yard and don't make them pay no bills for 3 months.
Okay.
That's a real lockdown. If you want to support people,
Okay.
people are hanging. Me see people are hanging there and say,
Papa, I'm frustrated about all of what going on in the country. That's how I get from where I say so.
what you
So,
mean?
enough of that. Enough of what going on, whole life stress and thing. We go back in our past. Zine, tell a little bit about Papa. Which part you come from originally?
Well, a born and grow in Negril, you know the best part of Negril.
Which part?
In red ground.
Red Ground is the best part of Nigel?
Wow, peace and quiet.
Alright, boss. Most of your life you live at Red Ground, right?
From the barn and them stay.
So you know
I
move.
don't move.
Alright, those answers. So what life did stay like in a Red Ground back in the days?
Well, life was like this. You're free to go about your business, do what you want to do. It's still same way, because we still, only this thing, I don't do certain things that I used to do. I don't go to bush go shoot bird anymore. I don't go on beach. I can't tell when last me go on beach go swim and I live near the beach. I step out of beach with it and I can't tell when last. I see people from Kingston go to the beach. I should have shame on myself.
So you left from Red Ground and got which high school?
Oh, I go to Little London.
Little London High School.
Left Little London from 9th grade because you know, say, I'm telling you the truth. You see, school sometimes it's good for you, know, but you see, for me, you know, me tell myself, say, if I stay in school a little longer, but I'm very intelligent. But me just left school to go do one thing. Help my mother, help my two brother them, and my sister. Until today, I am still doing that. And from me 14, me I raise them instead of them raise me.
Okay,
I know they're
boss.
still a big man and big woman, and me still I do the same.
So,
So
you know,
I thank God for God.
so during high school, you start act or get interested in acting?
Well, when me at school, I said, well, I'm going to do acting, but anything we choose first never come first. I tell you. Baking come in my hand. Because the whole my mother can bake. And my mother also a baker. Our last name is Baker. So it's just generally in my blood to bake.
Alright, my boss. Boss, tell me everything more I know already, you know. But anyhow, I feel like we still not crack off our surface. I feel like we still don't know who Papa is. Where you get that name from, Papa?
Well, one lady gave me it when I was a baby. Until today I keep that name. I don't let it go. That name is going on for 31 years now. So yeah, we work with that name there.
So that's all I know, so you just get one name, Papa?
Yeah, I will just keep it.
Then I tell you why they get the name?
I don't know, maybe I have a cartoon.
But what you and Papa have in common? You eat spinach? Wham.
I love callaloo. If I should choose baking and acting, which one I would drop?
I know say acting in that job, man.
Oh, you know?
No, man. No, say you're not left for baking, man.
No, I can't live for baking. Not tell you, I will never leave something that push my life far. You can't do that. If
John,
acting,
so.
if other guys subscribe enough and push it before 2 more years pass, I'm telling you, if 2 more years pass, I'm gonna see the subscriber going up and the views going up, it's gonna drop completely for me. Because, no, I'm telling you, serious when you come on to them, I say, yeah. If we can't see views that go why sense, you better stick to baking because baking help me a lot.
Okay, my boss. Alright. Fair enough. So, one of the, what I call it now, protagonists of the whole Richard Brown films, I say, baking and first passion. Same way Mike Tyson say I'm not like fighting and I'm one of the greatest. So, what again? Tell me about some of the special people in your life.
Well, the special people in my life, my mother, my daughter, my lover,
Hold on, your lover.
and I don't see now. The whole universe. Me not have no grudge against nobody. Me just love everybody. If me even walk past a madman, me tell him man. I don't know me get that dirty habit.
The people they want to know about your lover, Papa, that they want to know about and how you and lover, how you and lover meet.
Well, me try make it work.
Hold on. Oh, you and the lover meet. Start Friday, so.
Just remember what
Well, I'm not done talking yet, my boss. Come back, man. We're not done talk. Come back. I'm back up, let's go. Alright. Papa. What do you want to say to your fans? I don't know. What do you think your fans would want to know about you? What do you think?
Alright.
Tell me something. What do you think your fans don't know about you? What they want to surprise you know? I don't know.
Well, this is what they don't know. I can do anything I put my mind to.
Everybody can do that, Papa. Come
No,
on.
man, you have
I
to
joke, man. Alright. They probably don't know that. So.
Right. I can anything when we get the most can translate it different. I just saw my time.
But what do you mean? Anything I get, I can translate it different.
Cause if nothing wrong with the light a yard, I don't have to call a light man. I can go through if my pipe burst, I can fix it.
Oh, Zine.
Any little thing in the yard, I can plant same way. I love plant flowers, I love plant food. You see food? If you can plant your own tomatoes, your own Irish and them something there. You don't have to make a big garden, but plant what you know you're going to need. Mostly.
Cool. So, here's a man who make sure say, Mr. Jack of all trades, something like that. How you come up with it? Because I understand, say, when you do the movies, them, you know, script them, see? No? Not for a time them somebody joke them out like your joke them originally. Right? So how you come up with them joke them boss? Like how you furnish them?
Like on the scene now. Once we start in that motion, then just pop up in my head. But you see me can't get somebody where they, like tag along with me and talking and they can't talk.
Yeah.
That's going to cause a problem with me.
Zane, my boss. But yes, movies, upcoming movies. Talk to me about that. What go on?
Well, the upcoming movies, probably, which one? Lockdown Part 3, yeah? Coming in the next one. I need a producer though. I have a good story, it's right, but I definitely need a producer. Don't fret about the money, you will get it back in due time.
Then I just produce one over Jamaican City or Richard Brown films.
Yeah, but we still need a producer to sponsor some money.
Okay,
Because
my
this
boss.
movie is going to take a lot of money.
Okay,
It has to
okay.
be more than 10 rooms.
Give one hint, one idea what the story about with that movie there?
The story is about a 15-year-old get pregnant and her mother threw her out. But they will know what going to happen and what will happen. It's going to be from 1 to 2. So it's 2.
Question, so is this based on a real true life something?
Yeah, something I
Zaja,
witnessed. So I just write it. But I don't want to give out too much stories.
Alright, my boss, alright.
But it's something like that where I witnessed.
So, one eye pipeline for you, where you going with in your life? What, the COVID lockdown and thing, what kind of plans you make for your future and them way there?
Well, for the future, no missing now for the future. You know, say 2 wagons and my brain blank, stress.
So, you no plans, nothing?
No, I can't plan, I don't know what's going to happen.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm going to get up and see it tomorrow. See, I've been looking for, this is the woman been stressing me out mostly. I've been looking at her since.
People make me feel like you got a character now. Anytime you see Candy, you got an acting character.
How long have I been looking here now? 50, no, it's not 15 years. It's 12 years, I think.
Okay.
12 years, so I'm 19.
So what you ask about that?
Huh?
So you still wait after 12 years?
Anything that a man wait for, I could have 20 years from now, it's a good team away upon.
A good sitting.
Good something. So you could have even walk for walking tick.
A good sitting.
As long as I love, a good something. Some man don't really want to wait enough. Then there's some bad up that, yo! Look how long man I look here.
But you can't do that because you go get free.
Exactly.
You know nobody like that, though, Papa?
Enough man out there. We have some friend there.
I wait there.
You're some friend? Hold on there. What you say?
Friend there.
Yeah.
Oh, me see them hang sometimes I tell all them one them say, yo, we're not idiot.
Cut them off.
Really idiot.
Cut them off. Cut off in
I
front of
just hear
Papa.
like you talk about pregnancy and something. When they talk about pregnancy, what you tell it?
One movie you have, one movie I didn't have.
What you do with them pregnancy when they get pregnant? What you tell the young girl
I'm
them?
not telling them that shit.
Hold on,
I never
them.
respond
Hold on,
to
them.
them.
The phone a ring. Hello. Yeah, you know, somebody on the road with Akin. You can go up on his channel. Yeah, man. Akin Lawrence. Yeah, man. Go up on his channel. And let me tell you something. Are you, Papa, I did just talk to? What do you mean about what? You have something fast about pregnancy. Let me tell you something. You see your corona kill off the people them. You make sure you care of it and make the world get back people in it. Because right now the people them are dead out and we need back people on earth. Because you cannot stay without people. What? God no give nobody no authority if say this earth overpopulated. Not no go so.
Candy.
So if you want to breed your
Candy.
carry your picnic.
Candy.
Alright.
My,
What you say?
I'm like, una choose some kind of can from when you know.
Yes, I know. What you say? You see, anytime me get pregnant for you, Papa, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, anytime me get pregnant for you, no for nobody else, no for you, me a carry.
Me don't understand my youth. I could have 20 of them come out one time, traffic come.
But some of no man I tell the woman them say if dash away the baby, the innocent child, and that is a life.
That are the man they will not know sense.
No,
All
enough
of
of them will do it, they have sense, they just no want to take up the responsibility. And anytime
They
you
no
bring me,
sense that.
Papa, when me a talk, listen to me and not talk when me a talk. Let me tell you.
Alright, people, pick me easy for mine. No matter how the things say it hard, it easy.
How you do it? How you do it?
How me do it? How me mind my daughter? I'll go and work my daughter.
But that, I just want that.
But me, if me a mind, my brother and sister them are 20 odd right now, same way. It's easy. All you have to do, get up and
It's
work.
easy for you talk about speak of yourself. Speak about for yourself alone.
Yeah, because you have one
You know
skill,
about
you see me?
The woman way out there and the woman way out there, we do not have it and cannot support them child.
They don't want to rake yard, that's a them problem.
So you are rake yard?
Me used to rake yard.
Okay. So, we say they can start from somewhere.
You can start from somewhere until you reach up there.
Or they can start from nothing to something. Which
Right.
one?
Nothing to something. He will sell bag juice.
But anyway, come back to the argument.
Look around so him sell bag juice in her club.
Listen, no, man.
What sense?
Anytime me get pregnant for you, me have make sure send me carry. And you say easy for mine. Watching me and you.
No.
Yeah,
Right now, the
mine.
Prime Minister mash up the country. I have to wait. Last go gone sky
Yes,
high.
man
Feet
like
gone sky high. So.
Man like uno when you don't see people, no big up on yourself.
You're
Out
going
in our
to the
mind.
supermarket, go to power feeding right now.
Feeding.
At 3,000 and 2,000.
That's why we not got family code.
The driver come. Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe.
Remember, step in mind your pitney when you breathe.
Big up yourself. See the people in Ghana now.
Sound not like you scandal.
So, so like that people, Candy and Papa take over our show. I'm hoping to enjoy that a little bit there. And if I make it this far as usual, if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. But there, now I have no problem with nothing. So big up on yourself, little more. My soon.
I must round this aside and Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar, come here.
What I say, Wagwan General.
Oscar,
Yeah.
why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from up at your workplace. I want to go on up there. What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes I not to like tell Mama certain things, you know, because Mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But, so I get fire, but I not get no fire, you know. See it? I said, big that I go up at the hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you a pray, go on up at the hotel there. See? Yo, you see the little catty, when I walk around now with the little broad, short catty.
Yeah, man. That little catty the way. Now your catty where you and I come on the other day.
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, I'm going to show me a prayer. Walk my team up at the hotel, I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that I go on up there. And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire. You see them boss boy. And them something they really go on with up there.
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, here what. Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because here one now, it's up at the hotel there. A whole heap of liquor carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because here what. I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. I have one little thing up a yard to deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what am I take it down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you see any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from a day, I realize say I be a night chief for give me and night time I'm going in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in my job, I catch him a look on me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello.
General, what go on? Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone. And many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know I go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop round for me. Yeah. Remember that little bridge in there one day, me I tell you, say, work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, me always, you don't know, because the youth, them always come to me when them have certain little problem, and me all just reason with them.
You know I go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my brethren, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody, but more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, you must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him, woman.
Rape. What you say to me? So you no report it?
No, man, we never really want to make no report yet. You see me? That's how me call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of, you see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off him or cool that down her.
No man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We know if you go report it. You told them, make you told them go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know if you know if you know because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah man, that man is heavy man, so you know if you know the same way. Yeah man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah man, give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. No worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, now. What is this, man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I see what I'm from behind. And I say, Mr. Johnson, what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on me. And then he will start tear off my clothes. Alright, me.
So we tell, you go to the police, I tell the police.
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to believe. Because they not going to say Mr. Johnson have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then yet. Or send it to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Just say, what reception?
We can ring. Just say hello and in reception. Talk what the reception.
Can't hear mom, can't. I go closer to where reception is.
Right, action.
Hello, mommy? I can't hear you. Let me go closer to the Wi-Fi.
Alright, good.
Alright, so with that and that, so that's good.
I just something all ago.
You remember what she have on now, so she can change.
Yeah, Mr.
You remember when I was sending you now?
Yeah.
You change.
You remember so the whole Western Union the scene that they do the text.
Do you know what happened just now?
Oh, Shan just called her mother overseas and told her that she and Ricky plan to sell the house. Luckily, Shan's mother is very supportive, so her mother was like, whatever you want to do, as long as you're happy. So me now, being her cousin, jealous and not as privileged, I was like, I saw auntie love you. Damn, I wish I was as privileged as that. Or else I wouldn't have to be.
Hold on. As privileged as that? We want to find out whether my chat both over there. So
Most of the money come get Tuesday tomorrow.
Right,
Alright, so I kind of missed it, so yeah, whatever. Mr. Brown, forward now. Yeah, me a toughest thing. Watch out. Me can get exclusive video interview with the great Mr. Richard Brown. And amount of people can do that.
Yo, you do the scene with your Popeye.
Popeye.
I've seen it. We can probably tell the same scene with Tiffy too. Call, you have TV number? Call him and we do it back, you see him.
So, Mr. Brown, I did ask story over here, but I know you have because I you do the story them. So, tell what just gone a while ago.
Okay. Sean, when you Rena?
Yeah.
You can't remember people name in a movie, cause really. But Rena have to establish the fact that she get some money from some source, and the source she get her money from is her mother, cause I don't know her man and the amount of her money, so we have to establish that in our movie. So we just establish a call with the mother and she.
Oh, Zane.
I want to see.
So, a bigger story.
Bigger story?
Hold on, is that right? So that good with you. So the little one where all.
They said the smaller story you want here, not the bigger story. Alright, we want here.
So you there tell me how. I know that place is busy. That shit. Come that side. Come that side. So you were saying something about you being the cousin that is not so well treated. So you decide to do what now?
Yeah, just because I'm not privileged like she. She have her mother take care of her and then she get a man. Man not treat her so well, but me feel like me have to fend for myself, you know, so it's just that me be upfront with it still and I tell her, say, yeah, you are privileged, my girl, so know what you do, you know. Even though she make man come do rare and rare, know what you do, because me out here I feel do the rough and tough things to make money. So that's just where it's at right now. Because, you know, be strong because these ladies in the streets.
Oh, my time? Move it time for me. You want to film me? I can't film? Can you film me?
You can't get some money. Something not go on my house. You understand? Get some money for your mother now. And then you pick up a phone and call the mother. The mother on the phone and says, the hospital say you take up phone and dial. Yeah, so talk to mommy. And this that. While I keep still looking for the bed over the side.
So you use this to catch focus this time.
I think this is your laptop, right?
So, yeah, that's my laptop.
Maybe I put it, you can't have it.
But I can't have in a bed.
Hello. In a side shit.
You just get some little shots of what going out there. So. You love the camera?
I'm just a tour one doing what she want to do.
You love the camera? Yeah, so what? You know they spread up bed and thing? Sure.
Ready now?
Alright, ready
Action!
Alright. So, Akim, in a bed, Akim.
May I get harder in a bed?
That's the card that's there.
So basically now, what you have to do now, you just tell her, say, yo, you want some money. You know what I mean? Get some money for your mother now. You know what I mean? Because...
So I just leave them in a bed and then come in?
She not seen already.
Yeah, he just
See, my phone, my phone clothes there.
Go by corner.
You have to have four clothes. Some money if you have to have full of clothes and clean up. You understand? One full of clothes, yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good woman, yeah man. You have four clothes up and a wash and you do a good job in your case about listen, we want some money.
Need some money.
Yeah man.
Somebody correct.
So call them mother and get the money for
Ready?
her. Yeah, ready.
Yeah, come. Man you want, man you get.
Alright.
Come for send him to your auntie?
Mother.
Mother.
You can call the mother.
Mother can't do a friend, can't send some money come.
So you can mention to him, so Ricky remember say we have some money. Sell the house what they know. Ricky and
oh, so the money blow up already?
You on the blow up, yeah.
Yeah.
So Sean, that means if your mother, if you ask your mother for money, you know, make sure you tell her on the phone. What about the money for your house? You tell her, say, you put it on fixed deposit.
Yeah. Here, you have to ask me what about the money for your house. Let me tell you.
Here, may I help you?
So you put it on fixed deposit.
On the people that are talking. And then don't go around, just whoosh around so we can probably put one effect so it seems right?
You said you would start business. Right? No, I'm not ready to start the business.
Ready?
I'm watching the business market. You know about business already, Sean? You're watching the market, the stocks and the brands and whatever go ups and down.
Yeah, you're not ready to start now, yet. That's my alarm.
Ready now, kick it.
Sorry, let me start. Right, so shot. Hold on.
Drake have one song when him doing it wrong.
So you start that.
They can't get up and come around the side.
No, it's fine.
They can't
Focus on your acting, not
they can't get up
acting.
and come around here, so. Yeah, fold up clothes at all.
Yeah, I did the laundry today.
Alright.
Subscribe.
Alright, you're gonna repeat that here, sir?
Subscribe.
Alright, you okay? Ready, no action. Turn off your fan, please. I'm ready.
Yeah, I did the laundry today.
Differently do any they fold up clothes or some money, you should have them make me, you know. They can't give me some money, you can't get some money from your mother.
Good. Repeat that.
Hello?
Yeah, ready.
Differently do you know. They fold up clothes or some money, you should have make me, you know. Give me some money, man. You can't get some money from your mother.
So much money when I get last week.
I'm not talking about that. Why when I'm can't always that straight from the topic. Get some money, get some money from your mother.
Well, you already said that. What happened to the money I gave you last week? Ready.
So what happened to money when I get last week?
I know that me talk to you about, man.
Alright, no talking!
Nice control.
No talking!
Yeah.
I bet you stop record. That is why I try to avoid when I want to cut it up in pieces.
Alright, so
Did I say
so
yes?
then alright, she can go to the point where she said, alright, I'll call mommy and talk to her, see if we can make she get some money. But we never want to do this, I can't remember, so we just sell the house.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright. So when am I gonna respond to that?
Yeah.
She can.
You don't believe in me? Oh, yeah, I'm putting out.
Yeah.
You want to go for your one then?
Yeah.
When what?
No, so I respond
If
to
you are
her.
telling them to do something, and them tell you like my questions and they want to do it, you have a different option in your money.
Alright, so are you the respond a while ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you respond last?
Yeah.
So I'm sure you respond last, I was like.
Yeah, but me I say, yo, give me money I get money from her mother.
Check one.
How much money?
You say one to the money we get last week and then he say that no matter.
Yeah, no matter, get the money.
Then she probably can talk about this boy, she don't want to call her mother because because she want to know me I do the canvas and me just sell the house. Then you can respond after. And ready.
Remember, someone just sell the house, you know, someone make ask me what I want money for again.
I'm talking to you now, I'm ready.
Remember, so we just sell the house, and I need to one call her.
What day? Don't be like just yesterday. Say, if sell us got some money outside. So what day we sell it. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Remember, say what day we sell the house, you know. So mommy, I go wonder why I want money so fast already. But I can call her still and see what can happen.
Make it happen, man.
Oh, I call her now.
Yeah. Just call him.
You know, put on no resistance.
Yeah. You want to put up resistance? But then I just see those also she don't want to call me.
She don't want to call me at that time.
So you don't believe in me?
Yes. Oh. Alright.
Well, stand up on her, Akin. Stand up, Sean. Stand up.
Come now.
Is it Rena name? Yeah.
Alright. Don't talk as yet. Hold on. Don't talk as yet. Sean, as soon as the camera pan to you, then you just sit down and pick up the phone. One up on her. No, come in, bro. What's up, Sean? Ready?
Hello?
Hello. Hi, Rena.
Hi, mommy. What's up?
Nothing. I'm just here. How are you?
I'm good. You know, it's a little jam in and I was wondering if you can send me some money.
I'm not understanding. So, what happened to the house that you just sold?
You know, I'm not ready to start the business as yet because, you know, me I watch the trends and everything. So I put the money in on fixed deposit. So I don't really have access to it now. But the money's there, it's in a bank. Me just never want to go to it. So you can send it for me?
How much do you need?
You can send me 500.
Oh, okay. I'll try.
You can send 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah. No problem.
Okay. I'll try to send it next week.
Alright. Alright, mommy, thank you.
Thank you.
A 900 out of 1,000.
You see position where you put me in?
Yeah, 900 where we need no money. You can always call them back. So easy in give $1,000. Can $900?
I feel like that's so easy she give me, but wait until she start asking questions here.
I start out the things. You ask him for 500 and I tell 1,000. Me get, man get the money and how much I charge.
Very good? Some movie around 3 hours. You know, me I still like so long still. You know, so long, I just start cut it down. Yeah, man, by the time I start cutting the fry. Hello? Alright, what Papa did?
Look what she's done. Take that out there, man. So, kudos, camera girl.
So you want to say you know wait, so we're gonna do scene where we meet? Or what?
Max first. First. Because no one just said that, but I don't know.
Ask him.
You know about the scene when my acting
Sean. So we will change them. Just do it and done. Akin, you probably put on something different than clothes.
Money and blows them.
Give you one of my blows?
I'm joking. That was a joke. That was a joke.
Don't worry.
Guys, that was a joke.
Sorry, did you hear that? Yeah, I have my friend's shirt full of steam in them. I'm not thinking. You have a friend's shirt at the show?
I'm gonna put on now. Yo! I'm not carrying my shot down here. I just black and grey shirt. Can you stop smoking for a little bit? Hello, miss.
Hello. Sir, behind the camera. People in front of the camera. Screen?
That are you?
No.
Oh, I mean,
screen.
people will watch.
Viewers.
Remember to subscribe. So this is the latest on what is happening with Richard Brown.
Blondie, back at it.
This wig is hella tight. So what's up?
You tell us.
Why do I look like this? May I play a girl if he likes things like this when our dark skin hot.
Okay. I feel like she had tried to tell me, say, this is so not me, it's just for the movie. Yeah, I think everybody from the first time I meet her, they know that stuff. You're literally mocking people who are born with this kind of hair naturally. I'm joking. That's a joke.
I don't mock.
I like this movie. What you're wearing.
Oh, you're
Remember we were talking about it?
Yeah, I remember.
Runaway Bride. Rachel, big up herself.
She has so many bigs up. She's all the way up there. But yeah. I don't know. I'm going to do it now. I'm just go.
Random question to both of you. And then we end the video. So random question for both of you. So, if you could change one thing about your life, anything, what would you change?
how much I'm making.
Your turn. It can't be the same answer.
Say how much money I have now.
Similar.
Definitely cheap.
Same thing. Yeah. Damn.
We're not driven by money, people.
Go
Money
for our next
just-
question then. Before we end the Alright. Question. If you could do one thing, physically one thing, that you can't do right now, what would it be? Like if you could do anything, like what would it be?
If I could do anything right now, what would it be? Shan's ready.
Alright. So I'll come back to you. Yeah.
I would want to be able to fly.
I could have guessed. I could have guessed. So fly girl over here.
Flying is so awesome. Don't you wanna? Okay, I wanna be from point A to point B. Yo, I always want to fly. Especially look for me.
Flying.
I wish I could fly.
I'm scared of heights.
I wouldn't be scared of heights if I could fly.
Well, she doesn't know what she'd do.
Wow, I didn't know you guys were talking about impossible things like that.
No, it doesn't have to be impossible. He just said, what would you want to do that you can't do now? Fine is impossible. I can go on a plane. I can have a helicopter taking me from here to there. It's still flying.
What is it, Tori?
I'm just gonna give an answer. Wish I'd be sleeping in my bed right now. I can't
You can do that.
be honest.
Oh, you can't be honest? You can't tell us what that thing is? Wow.
You're not supposed to change your shirt too.
What am I?
If Mega
Use a number and give us a hint.
If Mega
The first number that could hint us at what you can't share. What would that number? What's that number?
10?
10. 10. Alright people, pick up on yourself, thanks for tuning in. As you know see, Richie and him folks, them are shoot movie still. So, we catch up, we chat soon. Oh, now I say I work on one movie and I just shoot it. I hold the camera for them. So, excited to see what's going on over there. So.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna shoot the scene with him. I would just met.
And then you met?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Work with me, people. Work with
So some thought about your movie, you just start behave nonchalant.
Me?
Like you know what I'm saying. Is that right?
No, sir.
Alright. You get that? You got yourself.
We leave our couple.
A quick interview with you.
What can I do?
Come, tell us, we met in Kingston, right? That is where you met Richard Brown Films, right?
Yeah.
So tell me about that little trip then.
I don't know nothing about Richard Brown Films.
Know how the whole meeting happened. At Kingston, that me ask about.
Kingston?
Yeah, then a big out, me know ya.
Oi, me not tolerate them kind of behavior there with you. Me know you point night man face. Oi!
And she go and she don't know.
Oi!
Kind of feel with us.
Rasta man.
Me hear you say that, Jenna.
No, but here what going on? I know people are going to see I do this in my boss and I not think they respect that. You point up is in night man face, man. Anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, tell what I mean. Go.
Well, I was home and I saw a group of persons come to say that they're going to do a photo shoot, like a video shoot. So that is how I get to meet Richard Brown Films and then...
So what experience so far?
Experience, like...
How you like it? Like...
With the photo shooting?
Like everything, the whole experience.
I kind of like it because it's the first and, you know, I enjoy doing it even though it's not something I used to, but I kind of like it. Well, at least I can introduce other persons to it to try it and see how it works out.
Okay. One question. You married?
No, I'm not. Why you ask?
You single?
No.
Okay. No further question. What going on, Rasta?
Me there.
You married?
Rasta married.
You married, Rasta?
Rasta, you married.
Alright, silent mean consent. Silent mean consent. We are going to so
more and not the less.
We are going to so go see what.
My interview now?
Who? Mama?
Let me see my
Ladies is more.
Let's make a seat, man. We are going to so go see where Richie them are going.
Why not untie me?
Alright, you tie up. We never see you say you get tie up.
Oh, me need to untie. Me need to untie so me can come up and this. Me can get this wig off.
You can't get no untimement.
How are going on? So 50 shades.
Because you know, she unrolling. She unrolling. YouTube, she unrolling.
She unruling?
Yeah, she unrolling.
Okay.
So
you are not supposed to be unruling.
Why?
Alright?
Why?
Me not even know. Anyways, how are going on? So 50 shades business.
I untie me. Me
no, me does.
Anyways, me I go that so. Woman in a handcuff, I don't know why they in a handcuff in there so. Or in a chain. I know I make they in a chain. Cigarette fire so that's the same way. Oi! I know what go on. People see them a go along up the road. I try to catch them. Alright, so here so then if you talk about some gunman business. Well I run out of battery to you know. I run go up there. Run go up there people we are run. Run. Papa, this not fit. This not fit. You know. I know say I could have worked with a boy.
Officer Jacob.
This one.
Yeah, we're friend out.
My name office. My name Vin Gasoline.
Alton. I want to ask you one personal question. You sure if you ask you? Go on normal. But me like I get timid nowadays, you know, but I was all afraid of question, I know. Anyways, where say I go on TV there now? When I shoot?
This is the lockdown part 2.
Lockdown part 2.
The lockdown with the bartender part 2.
So you don't post nothing from when either? When I see nothing about Paradise Nation?
Well.
Now we're going up this one.
Me need space not so right now.
Okay. Yeah, I got through a lot. You get counseling?
Me need for see one still.
Oh, alright. I thought to take it too rough. Shaka! Yes, I have party out blouse and skirt. That's what I hear, I don't know. Tell who I go on. Set the record straight. And them tell me say a party. So how do we do it in the hand?
Come on.
Is a piece of wood, brethren? I want to know. No piece of wood she have in her hand?
No.
I wanna go.
Take in her hand.
Wanna go?
Right, shoot, come round.
Okay. I feel like following, you know, because I'm not going to bore. I'm not getting no joke.
AJ, what up, sir? Wait, run. You company road, Zane? Wait now. No. You company road. Listen now. You go up there, sir. And you company road, the police them see you and ask you where you are company road and you tell them, say, what you tell them, say?
In there, direct young actor.
What tell them say? What you say?
No.
No.
You tell them,
No, I'm not acting. No, no.
You tell them, say, yeah. You must see you on the road and quest. Don't look for me, you know. Go on, way up.
How much more left in that bag, my boss?
Alright. Right there, sir.
I didn't say one pitney and a pitney, you know.
3, you're not pitney either. One more, I'm good.
One more? Okay. So, all the ladies... Oh, never mind.
Eh?
Not my business, that.
When I say ready, them are walk and ready. Remember, if you don't look for me, just walk and mind no business.
Papa, you like you have sclerosis like me?
Huh?
Like you have scoliosis like me?
Come on, Terry Road. Stop.
I want to wait, man.
Ready. Papa, ready. Papa, I'm ready. Walk, man.
Understand it's in the force for this force run. They see right now coming on the street. One check. The bartender right now because you know that.
You finally get off and handcuff him, or chain.
Finally untie me so I could actually walk and see what.
She never tell me say I want part of that play a while ago.
Part? Yeah, I was taking part of it.
So what them do to you in that scene?
Well, that scene now is a scene where I've been tied up and my fiance gone to buy breakfast.
So him tie up?
No, there was gunman tie me up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the gunman?
You.
Lady, where's the gunman?
You.
Gunman, she hold she like that.
Where get that?
Gunman
Where
in
you
your
get
hole, she like that.
That Jordan, yeah.
Gunman in your hole.
Eh?
Gunman in your hole. Gunman a hoogie in your hole. Oh. Yeah.
No.
Big up yourself. Subscribe to the boss. Yeah,
Jordan
please.
friend or cousin, that which one? Are the friend or the cousin?
Or the brother.
Almost the brother.
No punish. Very expensive.
Almost Jordan friend or cousin. Oh God.
You have to go buy him one pair, you know, because they're custom man shoes.
Buy Jordan, no pair of Jordan.
You don't spend money on a man like you don't buy him and things.
Yeah, but you must spend for me though.
Jaja. Why most you don't spend on a man at once?
At once?
Yeah.
It depends on what he wants.
Nice.
Boss, you know.
Come on, where are you on the road?
Come on, shoot that shoot.
Wake up, sir.
Come again, man.
Alright, I stop interrupt your shoot, my boss. Sorry.
Let's go right this way. Yeah.
Today I go? Tomorrow?
Listen, ready? Yeah, ready.
This is wrong, so you go and I check. Come on, where are you on the road? Just go here, so where's the family?
Come on.
So I'm gonna catch you in your face.
Same thing. Same thing.
Yeah, where I come?
No, I'm see Rasta man, I call them.
So where you shoot?
It's behind the scenes.
Let me put you behind the scene.
Come on. You have me in a focus? You sure? She want to record the people. So why you step back?
Alright, go on, straight home.
Question me. You want to question me?
How old are you?
I am
Yeah, so you actually don't know your age? 30?
30.
I'm not lie, you look more than 30 though. I'll head me go on.
45.
You're 45?
I'll be honest now, 45.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, you sure the camera there for me? You're not a good camera girl. Give me a camera.
But the camera on you?
You're not shakes and you look like you're a point though. How old are you?
30.
Oh, I forgot you did say it. That's him. So you don't have no more questions, miss? Come, press this button so it focuses on me. And make
This
sure
one?
yes. And make sure I say it turned green. It's green now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So how old am I? 30 years old. Actually, I'm not trim up, man. I got trim up.
Well, I need to visit the barber.
Yeah, but I said that in a previous video. Next question. Yes, I'm a virgin too.
No, you're not a virgin. Honestly, not a
I
virgin.
feel attacked.
Nope.
I am a virgin. Anyways, moving
Virgin
on.
still exists?
Yeah, me.
Not you.
Next question.
You live here? Where you from?
I'm on a place named Strawberry. Them not have no strawberry there.
Where you from? One place named Strawberry. Is it in Negril, Westmoreland, wherever?
Westmoreland.
In
What's your
Westmoreland.
line of Westmoreland too?
Well, whichever.
The place named Strawberry where I come from. Yeah.
So where do so far?
Next question, because I do filming and people here like filming, so I'll be
So what
here.
going for the shoes there? What going for your slippers?
I say I'll work out in this man country. How I try to? Well,
No, my told them want to do, you know. Them honestly want to do.
okay. So my green same way.
Yeah, I agree in same way.
Some more questions. Where am I from? Strawberry. I'll go into the super.
You're married?
No, I haven't been in a relationship from birth.
From birth?
Yeah, single. Alright, so I get back some battery. And this is where it caught us. Yeah, lockdown episode bartender Jamaican series. So make we go back out the door and find back people and we got question we. I just get some behind the scenes.
Alright, I'm telling you, we know what talk to an extent. Why man them do normally? Like do whenever they get work.
Of course.
I change it.
Yeah, change it.
No, you have to do it.
So here how I go justify my answer. You know what I hear?
Tell me what's your name.
I'm 6 years old.
Your name? Let her hear your name.
Alright, no, nice. Watch out. Right, shoot. Go inside the front top. Do. Ready, let's go.
Have a dream until you can't up with her. Let me tell you the truth. This is a bad man in the area. I don't know, normal. And then you go over the port station. Do you think you can manage them? So, you have to check the bike in the right now. Come on, and humble yourself, man. You soon get bad.
Alright, so Ark, if you want, you want. I'm going to involve in a conversation. You talk about the rope, but give me a conversation.
Talk. What do you want to do?
I'm just going to run
You want running belly, man. You cannot run clean. No, you're talking. You ready?
Come on.
Okay, so
Look again. Go talking. Come on.
Come on.
Nice, my ear. Ready now. I want you to make sense. I'm not talking about the bad man. You know? You can't say a true. Because I love my life, you know. I'm look at my yard there. I'm just start them. I don't want them to know. You know what I mean? Plus, I'm going to get a picnic. And we work with a child work on a picnic. You know what I mean? Then we go to Roma. So something make sense and impact in the story. Yeah, ready? Let's go. What's the night now? We are here. Record. I'm talking still now. We're talking now. Ready now? Let's go.
Dangerous.
The time now, we talk.
But he might laugh,
No, because you turn up there.
He said,
But you talk now, talk about that two man. Alright, no, that little man. Talk about your little man, we have a yard, we have a child, we have a picnic. Ready, let's go.
I show you know, I show you how to hey, just get my little boyfriend. Don't want this left me know. Right now, we free like them, you don't want them left me man. And then him just start then, so you don't want them left him.
No, you understand what you talk about. But next time to go back to the man, no?
David! Yeah, shoot!
Right, let's go.
Shoot it!
Wait, give me one conversation. I know you talk about what?
Oh, we don't know about the kidney.
I thought I punch you, I try to run for you.
Yeah,
man, I try to walk on and pick me now. You just have to go and remember to walk on and pick me. Come on, man. Punch you, man.
Ready.
First part good enough. Second part this. Ready, let's go.
So, you find a local man, so what else you need?
You know, someone if I want to give my son or give my child.
You understand that? That's a big deal now. We go for the car.
I know Mama can't manage it to blood. Punch. Mama punch it for yo. Yeah, me I work on it, man. I want to make it be like vibe. Make it again. Take it there. Take it back there. If I don't forget, make it take it there. Because you punch the second part. Good. The pump if you punch. Because I'm overshot, you can't talk, you know. You don't talk.
Adapt your child.
Yeah, woman is supposed to talk because people listen if you talk.
Ready, Papa. So you understand what I'm talking about now. So we have a drink, and when the time up, we go out with yard, and then you can have a little child where you want to have. And next time you can figure man and people that get a child for us. Come on now.
Come back.
Lock the door there. Lock the door there.
Lock the door. Lock the grill on the door. Lock the grill on the door.
Skipper, you're passing the front. Sure.
You want to be rude.
And then the size is nothing like.
Yeah. Yes, drunk.
Big yam. Big yam. Big yam.
Lock the door. Lock the door.
Come.
No, you are up in the grill and going there. We're not going to do it.
Ready. Nice. Ready. Wait, come back.
Candy, if you do that senior, you can come, make him come out and talk to him, because do that senior, that best makes sense. You know what I mean? We're going to go and do senior and come out. So make him come and go to the door here.
Officer, drape up.
Candy, you hear me, Candy?
Yeah.
No, jape up, jape post.
Yeah, American.
Because somebody in the officer jape post. It's post.
Come on. Step back out of the frame, out of the front of the gate. Right. Set conversation again. We're not talking about the... You want to give man one baby? Here?
Go long more, go
Talk.
different spot.
Don't go. That man that's Talk, if you want to go, man. Laugh and talk, man. Go in, what you do? Go in. Walk back. That's what I can look at. Go on here, go. Don't go. Because I tell them they don't shoot it. Don't go there. Let them call it. Alright. Candy, you knock the door already? No. No, go knock the door. And then when you knock the door for a while, you just say, me man, wait name, just call the name.
Officer Jacob.
But go in there, man. You put him grill. Go to the grill. You go yourself. Go now. Police. Officer exercise there.
Bartender,
me man, a regular customer.
A Jacob, you know.
I go in there, lock down here.
Yeah.
I just after Jacob, go to the cable. Ready?
No, right?
Ready. Alright. Let's go.
Bartender, Officer Jacob, man.
Okay, alright, my big friend, now come.
Cut.
Wait, come on, quick, Charlie, give some time, man.
Man, forgive me time to lose the chain out there.
No, you're not a chain funny, man, because free chain. But we are saying, we have to give permission to come. So in the car, when you knock one time, you answer. If you knock two times, when you two times, you answer.
Yo, come again.
Ready, let's go.
Ready? Wow.
Let's go.
Officer Jacob, you know. Bartender. You know what's all that down and we come for me special.
Okay, hold on there. Now come.
Hurry up, them like them corner here, you know. Wow. Wait, you lock down with one in there.
If you laugh, we are drunk, you better. Yeah.
Come down, I'll with you.
No, you're not drunk yet.
Come then.
But you just know, sir, you laugh, not for the see woman. I tell her that girl, I'm moving there.
Yes, I'm going to lock down.
Man, that fine. You man, that fine.
Come again, knock again.
If you man, that fine, we can't come in.
Officer Jacob, you know, bartender. One. You don't find lockdown. You don't know something special we come for.
Hold on there, now come.
Tell her. Come on, woman, you see. I tell you. Why, man, they are finding it, locked in and then time up the boom.
No, we can't do that.
Since when?
Because he market before he goes.
Well, market is two different things. Buying charts, they won't ship.
No, me no in a way, you know.
What the fuck? We get the special.
Where you come?
One special.
Wait. Come again, Kenny, because I don't want you just jump in at the aggressive vibe so fast.
Yeah, can't go that, man, if you want. But after I went to drop in, I'm telling you. After I went to drop, you can't go that. Anyway, where come up from? Because the back in there, you know, see my chair get to my fire. I'm still in chat tonight, but yeah. But I'm more able to do. Conversation. Kicking up. Let's go. Come, in a character. No, you don't have to touch the door, me push the door. Ready, let's go.
Alright,
they can't wave to her, they wave to candy tina, man. They want rum tina, man. Along with the police and all, you know. They can't wave to her.
Forward. Yeah, lockdown. If you have lockdown now, man, so man, they are fine, they can't come lockdown. You know where about that? He marking, my size small. Anyway. Yeah, but that's special to come, man. No, I know. Yeah, man's aggressive, man. I tell you. Woo! See, yes, you come get a special when you buy a lockdown.
Alright. Come get your work. Let's say the first part mechanic so I get
Don't worry, man.
So Candy, when you go back, lock the door and say me I come there. You can't be open up, you have to go in there. So I could do something. I'm going to go get a drink of rum still, but I'm going to say bar there. Alright. Yeah. One girl, one half flask.
Start back, Papa.
But I get two bags of serious with him, you know.
No.
But you want to get me that door. You say, well, anyway, where you come from? Can you say I'm trouble? It's a normal routine. Yeah, man, you're my friend.
A police, I'm going to try.
Yeah.
Stop, follow me.
You know, say your son over there, yeah, this is a home, but
You know you must have something there.
you go for one class and come here. Hold on, this one.
Yeah.
Right.
That's it, come here.
The door locked.
Yo, so what you can do, you know? You can talk to she, you know, make it make sense and talk to her and say, yo, here what? If you to permit or anything, I'm giving them permit, so they rate me, you know, you help out people, you know, come and say, you're civilian, you know, you're police once, whatever. Civilian twice, police once. Right. So you tell her that.
Yeah, once a police, twice a civilian.
Once a police, twice a civilian. Talk to she, make more sense of a conversation.
Really?
Turn it down.
See, it's when they learn. I'm making them permits still, you know. So when you get them permit.
Alright, come now, let's see. So you have to live with people, you know.
Really? You see, I say I have to live with the people. I'm making them permit. Since when they get them permit, you get your rum free at cost, you know.
Candy, why you call me for Candy? So you show.
Not yet, not yet.
Let me nice video for
What's with that?
One real rum? Push. A real rum?
Ready?
John must start up on the general. In Spitfire.
One cool and knock over here, man. There's nothing better for doing it.
Yeah, mean, go on easy, huh?
Just go and drink and go and ease myself. I mass up for Corona.
Officer Jeffers said when he come in on the force, him come in and drink rum.
Stop chat out the people, I'm sure.
Good day. Most of me always have to do this thing, but don't drink so water, but you have something to do, you know, me watch movie.
I don't understand what you said a while ago, general.
And the girlfriend role.
Where's the boy movie then?
Kind of like it for the sister and the girlfriend role, because never really play them type of style before.
Okay, so you like your role where you play? Alright.
In can't carry no mackerel and no chicken back on the other night. I can't have to steak and shit.
So we gunman them treat you?
No, them treat me okay because some look milk nice, them like me.
You like you have to put on weight, man.
You tell you up on the tree, lock down, or what for food. Just eat it and go, just snacks, just eat it and go, so.
Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
God no. Belly like it a girl though.
I just belly this.
Belly. Be a belly.
Just belly, I'm not pregnant belly. It's a Jamaican, but I'm not pregnant belly.
You're 9 months.
No, 9 months belly can't look so.
No, I give you 9 months.
You can't give me 9 months of pregnant. Woman can pregnant less than.
No, you're pregnant already, I give you 9 months sleep in the barn.
She's right, look, man.
So I want to
go on now, man. Yeah, you're just like, I'm here.
I'm chopping.
Huh?
Yeah, but you kind of suggested.
Huh?
You don't.
Funeral.
What kind of funeral?
Zigzag.
One person missing from a BTS, so I'm not see so far, but him there. Richie, how you going?
I'm going on the road and soon come back.
Oh.
And I told him soon forward back.
But I'm not like the time what do.
You have to just go on normally, man. You know, when it comes up, you know, we can go river. Go on easy.
How are we going up to?
So, I mean, it's so up. Just you're not here. You're not here.
But them said that show your name Prison Break?
No.
No.
Lockdown bartender.
Bartender part 2.
Lockdown bartender part 2. So good, man. I have some more. So, yeah. I know I need a focus, man. I said that button now? See it turn green now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it goes when you understand the camera. So, I hit that for the behind the scenes. I make them to your talk a little bit and then we end the video. So, that's all I want to go on at Jamaican City and da. My chat da. Later, subscribe, like. Go over the whole of the channel, man. Subscribe. Do everything we make an algorithm.
Put it on, burn it down.
I say I don't like how we not do nothing. Can use the time and create something. I say about that.
That sound good. That sound good. I'll post this right now. Wanna go on with people? Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. My name is Akin. Welcome. So I'm in Negril. This is the golf course. Have to be constantly checking this place because snakes. In my humble opinion, snake infested area. I ran into another snake, guys, yesterday I believe, but I was without the camera, so couldn't get any clips to show you. So yeah, not too worried though about the snakes because I'm learning that snakes from Jamaica aren't poisonous. So not too worried, but still have to be checking. Yes, the last time we spoke was when I was telling you guys about Richard Brown, Fire Ras, the whole team making a movie surrounded around love. Well, the Rastaman perspective on love, what he sees love to be in the form of a movie. So yes, so from then till now it's the same thing: filming, editing, trying to get out work, entertaining work, so you guys can be entertained by that. So from then until now, that is what has been happening. If you guys haven't seen that movie, Three Sisters, it's on Jamaiwood. Definitely go over there and check it out. I will put a link in the description. Definitely go over there and check it out. Big up yourself, Miss, what's your name again? Shantai Wilson, Bieber, a thiefing sister. Big up yourself. So definitely go over there and check out that video. Well, that movie. What we're doing in this video is we're going to get some behind the scenes, different kind of behind the scenes in this time around, guys, because we're going to try and catch the candid ones. So the little mistakes, the little probably disagreements, nothing outrageous that does not belong on the internet, but you know, human side of people that can always be forgiven. So yes, we're going to get some candid behind the scenes, but before we do that, we're going to speak to Honey's mommy. You don't know who is Honey's mommy? Monique. Monique, can you?
Yanni.
You haven't seen that movie? Where is Honey? Definitely, I'm going to put a link. Richard Brown's channel. Definitely go over there and check out that movie. Where is Honey? It's amazing. That's all I can say. Definitely go over there and check it out. So in relation to that movie, I spoke to her mother, Honey's mom. So found out how she met Curious, how she met Richard Brown, got into making movies, Jamaican movies and all of that. So caught up with her, did a little video. I'm going to share it with you guys, and then we jump right into the candid behind the scenes. So yep, and if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and leave a like on the video. So yep, we're going to see Honey's mommy. But before that, get some visuals, see Honey's mommy, and then we get into the BTS. So yep.
And then me glimpse you, and me I tell them say, yo, my family that you know. And them I say, no, so I lie. So I'm show them my mother picture and then me. So family wise, yeah, me get the support, friend, love me same way. Yeah, me feel nice because when I'm there serve, and me and my mask and my eyeglass, and this guy said to me, say, yo mama, me love your movie them, you know. So yeah, me kind of feel good about it. Definitely, it's a good look. Yeah, me like, so when I watch me movie them, me just feel proud of myself. You know, me know say there's room for growth. So once me there on Fire and the rest of the team, yeah, I elevate myself. So that's that.
Listen, if you have to sing Larry out, because you're nice, you have to sing Larry out and put her alone. Yeah. Yes, so hold on, let me clean off this lens. So yeah guys, that's Honey's mommy, or the young lady that played Honey's mom. The environment looks different, yes, because hours passed since I left you guys to watch that video. It was raining. I went into Negril town to get some shirts, plain white shirts, because that's the only thing I really wear. So first behind the scenes is happening over here, so we're going to sneak in, take a peek and see what's happening.
Year 604
143160. Please remember, every mickle make a muckle.
Alright, thank you very much, Rudy. And again, if anyone knows the whereabouts of Mr. Chubby, we're appealing to you to come and assist your baby mama. She needs your help. Me not done.
Okay, I am Christian.
Me not done.
Remember I said Chubby no know say she pregnant, you know. You remember?
You know now?
Yeah, no man know, yeah.
Alright. And again, thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Have a blessed evening.
You know, say wait a moment, what's something too? You know, I'm on TV, alright. You said you want it.
MP, when we beg one.
You don't take him mic and say no long walk up on TV.
Yeah, thank you, mommy, for coming interview me. No long walk up on TV.
And the MP beg $1,000. I know me can't sit up for
No, let the MP alone. I know she walk up on TV a long time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am your host.
Wait, man, me have something to say. Well, thanks me for coming on TV in a long time. I come up here now. Hi, Jamaica.
Up here, you know, we walk up on TV. Yeah, that day, as she come to you.
Yeah, that day.
Just say no long
You want to come on TV?
You have to start all over?
No, that's the last one. I am Tracy and Blair. Make sure you
I
say your name
am
first.
Tracy and grab the mic. I am Tracy and Blair. So wait a minute. I am Tracy and Blair. No, you have to look like you're Johnny Mike.
Wait again. Action.
I am Tracy and Blair.
Well, thanks for interviewing me. You know, long walk up on TV.
Thank you very much, Rudy. I'm the hostess. I'm your hostess with the mostess. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You must profile.
Alright, ready.
Profile.
I think no. Alright, no, Papa, come here. Papa, come
So she
here.
them from up in a line though.
The next scene, I know Papa will come with.
Oh, we're for doing part with you in the interview.
Ready for the song?
Not yet.
We have 2 more shots to do video. We have to hurry up, you know. We have 2 more shots we did. We have to run go up where bad road there and make a talk about the bad road. And she talk about you. I want to talk about you very bad too.
Hello, Miss Newscaster.
The hostess with the mostess.
Alright. Papa, you ready?
That's what I see them, man.
That's what I see them. Look in there. That's what I see them now. Alright.
We're coming to pasta food.
Sir, do I have to walk with the mic?
No, just hold it for me.
Can you budget room?
Yeah, but we don't need it.
So, Mr. Brown, quick, because I'm catching up behind the scenes late. So tell me what did I go in another room now?
Oh, well, you don't know we have to depict anything where we showcase sufferation. So this is a part of it where homeless. Well, don't say homeless, well, you know what you want to call it.
A person who's in need then.
Yeah, somebody who is in need
or facing financial.
see a look help from the government. So we just use like our TV station to depict that. You see me?
Yeah. So give me one little in as to what the entire movie about. I'm not asking much, just want a little bit as to.
Just a showcase all form of sufferation in Jamaica. You know what I say in terms of to showcase say, oh, we know a war here. You see me? Yeah. I say the movie name curious? War here, yeah.
And comedic fashion, right?
No man, serious.
Serious
something.
Right. Ready now.
But you don't know Jamaicans ever take anything.
You coming.
Papa, I just get your comedian.
Alright, so you heard Mr. Brown, you saw the environment. We didn't get much, but we have a little bit of idea as to what the movie is talking about. So it's placing some emphasis on poverty. But beside the point, you guys should definitely subscribe, and I'm saying this about the millionth time now. Go over there, check out Richard Brown channel, subscribe to all the stuff, and Jamwood as well. But did you guys realize the amount of persons that are in the room? That's teamwork right there, guys. And it's amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. So we're going to go back, see if we can get somewhere behind the scenes. And yeah, as I said, get to behind the scenes, see what's going on at the place. So, I don't know my love woman, guys. I'm going to take one next one of them. See her here. She going to tell you a little bit about what's going on in this. I'll do over here from Mr. Brown. She going to tell you a little bit about what's going on. What did I do in this hour? Like I miss. First, what is your name?
I am Everly.
And Everly, you're an actress?
I I'm one of their actresses, yes.
So how long have you been a part of this?
Not very long. I cannot put my finger. I cannot tell you how long, but not very long.
So Mr. Brown tell us poverty and all of that are going in that scene a while ago. But you tell me a little bit about it. What was happening with you?
All right. So what I was doing in brief, I was interviewing the young lady in regards to her situation and her financial constraints, hoping that Jamaica would tend an ear to her situation and provide her with some assistance. So it's about poverty, and it's about what we face as a people on a day-to-day basis.
Rastafari. So, don't ask me, I don't know if she's single, I don't know if she have a man, I don't know nothing about that. But when I hear what she's doing this, so I could go in again and get some more behind the scenes. Thank you, Miss Everly.
You're most welcome.
So I'm gonna like give me bigger one.
That's why you have a big belly in front of you, you look too much big things.
No, can't laugh,
No, can't laugh. Come on.
Can't laugh.
Alright, that's what I shop at, no problem.
Alright, where got you closing? Can we have to close the scene? Where close the scene?
Come give me mango.
Alright, Popeye. Give her back your mango and then wish her all the best and then left her. Ain't her. And action.
Yeah, alright. Now we're you know, so I wish you all the best and somebody else must have come help with MCL, isn't it?
Why you mean do look on the mango?
Jesus Christ, Chang. The man came and hold box of food come here and tell the man say mean. No, thank the man for carry come here. Slum back no. Slum back. I mean no way man. Come not come box and walk with. Don't buy the mango.
I don't know alright.
Give back the mango. Give back the mango.
Buy the mango already.
No, give him back.
Give me big one back cover. I don't buy this.
Popeye, give big one over.
No, we said to come.
Chang again. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm ready. Action.
Alright. Now we see you again and somebody else must have come help you soon. You know?
Now make you stay so. Make you give me the less mango out of your bag and if me I get them back.
$10 with the one mango you get.
No, Papa, make you do it back over. You just give girl food and tap over your box.
You're ready for YouTube, dog.
Come back again, man. Sure. Alright, give back your mango, Chang.
He don't bite it, so just catch it for
yourself. Two shot. Give back your mango.
Papa, I don't touch it for me feel.
No.
Give me big one.
Just put in your hand and make him stretch again.
Just me big one.
No, just make him pretend like him here. Me tell you. And you start. And hold on. And action.
Alright, yeah. You see again, somebody must help you.
So you tell me say you can't two mango come and look at me and give me the request one.
I should have said that you get mango and goods.
Thanks for your good. Remember I don't have no stove and no toilet.
Somebody with your one.
Alright, check me back.
So I come on disgusting bag.
Oh my god, she sounds so ghetto.
Alright, good. Curious will come next, right?
Yeah, right
Call Curious.
Let's go, Papa. Should I give me big mango?
So Mr. Brown, why you tell me, Zane, because me want to learn, what are some of the difficulties you face when you film like this? Is noise a problem? Tell me.
I really face one difficulty because I cannot get used to the whole environment and the whole shooting aspect of movie and all. So I 1, 2, 3 man. I think the most difficult part sometimes I just say nice. Because we live at Jamaica and Jamaica nice is bad, you know man. If I know somebody a play music or somebody a chat, a bike a pass. So I think that's the only difficulty.
Alright, but most importantly, you enjoy yourself, right?
As always.
Wonderful.
Call Curious! That Chang look like incomfortable. I'm going to make a movie in Chang.
What are young boy with the kimo bro?
Eh?
What are young boy with the kimo bro here?
Where's the taking up with the belly? That's all.
Yeah, young boy them.
Hey, that Chang. What are young boy will take you up with the belly around with you?
Oh gosh, man.
Ready? Are you coming? Popeye! Popeye! Popeye!
Don't name me man, this thing.
Yeah, see you man primary.
I'm just going to check out. You know what I mean? As I walk on.
You cannot come here.
I'm going to carry the newspaper. Move it to the scene.
Oh, you carry newspaper come
I'm a news. I'm going to carry the news team.
I'm going to carry, I'm going to carry
So,
money.
me not buy no money.
You not get no money yet?
No.
Alright, later I'm going to get money.
No, at least you have to at least take me and say new season.
First he has a slipper.
High five. Ready?
Alright, so I'm just a picture and I see me now, I'm going to make you walk in. Alright, so curious, I'm just a picture say first 2 sentences and walk in. Hold on.
Then you walk in?
Yeah, let me go in closer.
You can actually sit up, you know, because I see him there.
Sit down, no chance.
Sit down up and take over this side.
I want a lazy pregnant man. Sit down.
She's pregnant, leave her alone.
Sit down.
Sit down, no chance.
Let's pass there.
Oh, you want to that close show?
No, I can't show because I know me I can't let it come. I tell you, so never link.
So I see him close up, I want to. All I have got me, I see him there.
I see him close there,
yes, it's I want close strong enough.
No, but that's why I tell you to cover him. I want to cover him.
She never cover it close.
Let me tell you.
But the clothes just show up slightly, it's not alright.
Yes, I mean I said, but no.
Good, yeah.
I don't want first but me come over.
No, you worked so I saw the job, I don't know what happened.
Just 2 in the morning.
Probably under the box. Look, look.
Under the box.
So for us, one question. After this scene. After this scene. What do we do after this? Are we doing any other scenes apart from this one?
No, done here now.
Okay.
Carry it up, move here.
So guys, as you would have heard, Curious himself, Fire us, them a finish up. That are the last scene. Bike nice. As you would hear Mr. Brown say as well, Jamaica this and nice. So nice always there somewhere cause some kind of distraction or disturbance or whatnot. But you know, I don't have to work with the thing. So yes, as you would hear Curious, Fire us, them a finish up. That are the last scene. So we talk to Mr. Brown, we talk to one of the actress, what's her name again? Everly. So she basically said the same thing that Mr. Brown said, and again, make sure, I think I tell them to subscribe to Richard Brown more than how I tell them to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on the video, and you know, definitely stay tuned for more of this. And of course, we do other videos where we go out and interview business places, you know, find out where the business is coming from, how the individual started the business from ground up. So yes, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. Not going to give it away, but we might go to Lunacy Inn and interview that retired, what's her occupation again? Physician, retired physician. So definitely stay tuned. I might get a Morning beautiful people, pick up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel yet again. So first day of the lockdown, I have one new member to talk to and I really new, but yeah, first day of the lockdown, first everybody. I actually wake up before everybody. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do a quick run through. Wake up, who no wake up. We'll go around the place and see what going on in the early morning, but as per usual, we don't know how we do it. We get some nice visuals and then we do what we do. I don't know what happened today, apart from that is shooting. So as me telling them, we're gonna do some like investigation, find out, you know, little things them how they talk about in the last upload. So yes, so I have no specific plan, but we're just go ahead, use the basic sense them what God give you, and do investigation and find out when I come along the journey with we. It's nice. So make we do that. But we get with nice visuals and then all of that good stuff. So yeah. The females are always the lazy ones. So they can't wake up. Wake up! What's that? Don't look for them. I woke up like this and I can't see truth now, guys. Oh, yeah. Yes. When I wake up. You woman over there, sir.
Like him wake up all the well.
Exactly. Like him bleach one night. Let me see if you're white.
So who look how long wake up?
Let me see if you're white.
So So I see him there. He just wake up still, but as he wake up in the pan, I make sure say I can get some content as quick as possible. Me and editor have to knock out because you know what's happening in there, work. So when I mash him up, he ain't good, right? So how far are we there now, General? How far are we there now?
Well, we just in line out all the edits and then we just double check them. I think already.
I'll get your booze and your course for this one class.
The right about that, I thought him pull over.
Why a problem with me pull over?
The years in this. Yeah, wash it. You smell it.
Can't smell it. Yo, that one and I have no manners. How you sleep last night?
Comfy.
Comfortable?
Just me and Kalani alone sleep.
We could have seen that in the video. You know need for. So why are you dressed like this, miss?
Me I run up in a full black. I style and pattern, you don't know that.
Me always say that this a chain. Why make you always wear? Make you dash away.
No. That chain don't compare that I wash. It does every time I shoot something in this damn pullover.
If you write somebody over here, then cuss out your blouse and.
I know say some people may agree and wonder.
No, they know. Just you don't know why I always have one. You want to know why I always have one?
How?
Like you notice me, so you man.
I don't like it too much. I know, man. If I check.
You like one girl pull over.
Yeah.
Like one girl pull over.
Bad man.
I'm not really pre because I maybe just feel chilly.
Franzi. How you acting a go on? And guys, enough worry when a girlfriend come here.
Stop telling them that because I like say, look, put it on me. Me and him they not know business. My man know that.
But you're not my type either. You're not my type either. So come, miss. You have to throw away the ganja though. Then I go take you serious if they say, come talk to it.
Watch them, but you're not easy, boy. You're not going to take me serious. But you're not easy.
You know Jamaican people stay.
Oh, them stay.
You say we don't have weed in your hand, you say no.
So what happens?
I'm tired.
A weed a morning people, I say. A weed a day, a weed a morning people.
Yo, wipe off the camera.
Right,
So where for your split there?
I don't smoke. And I can't.
Where for your split there?
I don't smoke.
Come interview me.
Where your split there, editor? Don't smoke.
You know how I feel about that yesterday
Talk to it.
And I smurf them.
Talk to you.
Trolls.
Hey people.
Trolls, they come up now, trolls ugly.
Love you.
Smurf better.
What else?
I'm a porridge.
I'm porridge today, I think you.
I'm porridge. I notice you hot for me, you know. You. Me and you now go agree. You.
You see anything on the use?
Wash your hands.
Don't talk, you know, brother.
Share up my porridge.
Come cook on a dirty kitchen in a bad man. Alright.
So, Lana, Alton, you share porridge?
Oh, well, I say Alton have plate with courage already.
Me and I go agree. You have to go left here. You have to go left here.
You say that's no problem. You might have porridge bun.
Don't listen to me.
I'm not bun him with the porridge. Bun him with it.
Don't listen to me here.
Thanks very much. Here. Thank you. Excuse me.
Put sugar and milk in there if you want.
No, I know sweet too. My man already sweet. I'm sweet too.
Watch him too. Are you alone or somebody? Watch him. What friend so?
And yesterday relationship start. That's why she sounds so young.
She okay if your man will look normal, girl.
Morning again. Yes, kind of weird. Kind of jump from the first day to the second day. But the thing is, really difficult to keep up with. Richard Brown, Curious, all the actors and everything together. Really difficult, like to catch everything throughout the entire day. So what am I gonna do on the second day? Because you guys are supposed to be getting a movie today. Not 100% sure, but you guys are supposed to be getting a movie. A movie should be uploaded on the channel today, which is the second day of the lockdown. So yes, First day, as you guys would have seen, you know, the waking up, all of that. And then the shooting started. We did some shooting over by the golf course. Richie did go live during the golf course session. What else happened yesterday? Basically shooting, just shooting. Everybody, like even myself, was, you know, a part of it, you know, shooting, run down bike and all them kind of something. They shoot from the back of the boxes. So it's just everybody I try put in them 2 cents to make the end product as entertaining as possible, and we are trying to do it as fast as possible. You get me? So yeah, so the second day of the lockdown. Our lockdown are treat, you know. I mean, we have fun, we're having fun here. So when I wake up before everybody this morning, couldn't manage to wake up before everybody, but guess who is still sleeping? So no, do the early morning scene, no. Nothing can have early morning scene today, no.
They try to when they sleep out of here, you know. Out of our face.
So I'm not gonna stay tired. No work hard yesterday?
If you're up and I'm gonna change so often.
Okay, so on the up and I'm gonna change often. I'm gonna go left now. But I'm gonna start for that one, I do. Figure.
Yeah, see, so me if you want with yam. You want with yam.
No, you're not yourself, like I'm doing business yourself.
But when the food cook your business.
Watch him.
Every morning, literally every morning he come in here with one camera. You know what I'm saying, my camera, you know?
Second morning.
So wait, swallow it.
Come on, you can't tell me say no.
You ready?
Alton Garden. How much on a big boy them this?
Ready?
So people, I'm gonna update. Like Masika say, give them an update. So I guess it's a season 2 of Big Boy. I'm gonna fight over Chucky, so Chucky finally get a girlfriend as on the want. See people, remember to subscribe, AV channel, always are going to the latest where Richard Brown Films, Jamwood City, Paradise Nation, all of the latest. So I'm going to what I call this now. Kind of perspective, this first person perspective.
Make it in the same time, make it in the same time.
Them a fight, when I'm a fight over Chucky. I don't know what's going on, fight over man. Come again. Where Jutta?
If you put that in the part there, you say, you remember what you do? I say, hey boy.
Where Jutta? Where Jutta? Jutta! Oh, you're on there? Come again, walk up, friends. Come.
I've never seen these actresses before, people. So I guess I'm new in our place.
When they come, so you want to come, I want to out there fight over. One can say Chucky, two other can say Chucky one time. One can say Chucky one time. Chucky!
And so Richard Brown, little brother, this
And then they
Spoonie.
just gone by a bit.
Alton Garden, don't know, cousin to Richard Brown.
Come again.
Oh. Yeah.
Say people, season 2, big boy.
Ready?
I cannot fight this as still.
But when I'm two, I want you to fight over. Jump.
Wait. When I do it, then two want to look up, same time one to say Chucky one time. Yeah? Chucky one time.
What's called?
So Chucky. Right.
Oh, you went lunchtime.
Action.
Look at when them two you fight over. Chuck.
No. Pause. We need to stop fighting. Chucky.
Stop kind of fight.
Ready again?
Girl, what you want to eat? I don't cook at a restaurant.
Papa, what they must do?
They must fight over the good something.
No people that may watch me at all.
Oh, subscribe me people. Subscribe. See this nice pretty girl over here? Yeah, subscribe.
Hey, them a fight over?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what they fight over me for?
Just to confirm, this is season 2, big boy, right?
Yeah, but we don't know which part in season 2. But it's season 2 coming to you guys. And we are not going to stop it. We are going to give it to you.
Alright, my boss.
Wait,
Just say.
One, two, three, Chucky. 1, 2, 3, Chucky. Ready? Alright, ready, fight.
Pass your sweat.
1, 2, 3, Chucky.
Chucky.
Still on fight. No, still on fight. Alright, stop.
Alright, listen to me.
You look somewhere there, so I get tired.
What kind of food do you want? Chicken? Breast? Leg and thigh?
Miss Shakaberry Madness. Don't know if you have a YouTube channel for yourself as well, people, so I can go over there to show her some love. Recently celebrated her birthday as well.
Sir!
Good.
Don't worry.
Come in.
Don't worry.
You can't do this for stuff. You know what that fight say me?
Yes, it's fighting. That's our movie do. That's our movie do. You have to be there. You can't really
How this?
No, we just wake up.
Oh, my God.
Nice. Action, fight.
Papa, I can't find him, daddy.
Wow, I'm not sure. When did I pass? Really clear. Jutta!
Alright, it look like they find him now, people. Oh, see you not what's that?
Come on, fight! Come on, fight! Big girl, let me fight! Fight, Eddie! Hurry!
I don't know you. Let me have to say what you say. No, you have to ask fire woman to say.
If son of a say, throw some water.
No, man.
That's a pure.
If you don't listen to fire say, now I got tie up good, man. I have to listen to fire say, brother. But I don't know what you say.
Alright, let's Papa fish and meet them.
No. Don't make an ask fire, man. You ask fire, you're right here, man.
Are you
Curious is the master of stories. You understand, Alton?
Huh?
Curious is the master of stories, so tie up the stories.
Yeah. But I must say time if you don't know what you say.
Let me come back and
It's still a nice shot, man. You can, no, you can still.
Alright.
Still a nice shot.
You come and part them, Shaka go come back out and shop and say, yeah man, we're not woman man, we have to do better than that and Twitter run them.
You say, you know what?
You tell them, I'm not woman and I'm woman, you don't look good.
So the next amazing thing about being in this space when they're filming, guys, is that, you know, myself as a filmmaker, I can learn. So whenever mistakes are made, you can learn from those mistakes. And of course, a whole heap of things I learn. I learn a lot of things whilst in this space that I will not be able to disseminate right now, but definitely in the future, man. So make sure you subscribe over here and to Lux Movie Channel. Like shooting boat to start again.
You, to the wall.
Papa, if you say anyone I don't know when only I get me.
Daddy tell them any one of them win and them and make me. But me know what the bag I want to win.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, right this one, right this one. Right. Alright, that's a very nice.
Alright.
Hold on, go across the car. Go across the car.
Come on, man, you can understand how you must conduct it.
Jutta, you there front? Jutta, you are there front. Fight. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't do that. You can't. My gonna say I take care of girl, you.
Yeah, any one of them win daddy, but we don't want this.
Any one of them win? No man, no go on no man. No go on no man. You girl don't come back. Go on.
Wait.
What for?
No. Come on, stages, man.
Can't stay till it's too short. No.
Fight. You come break up a fight.
Yeah, I want to fight for you.
You come break up a fight. What I do? Hold them so then. I said, girl, come fight for my man. You can't sit over there. You sit over there.
I bet too far out that camera.
Look at me. Look at that man. I know I'm a one boy, so I feel proud as a father, you know. And as I go out. Where you live? You go so. You go so.
What's Shaka?
Son, you go and go sit.
Son.
Enough to fight.
Alright, come on, ready. Come Popeye.
If one shift the way, check off and take some.
Come Popeye.
You can say me there with him from his birthday. When he come all you're there with him from his birthday. You there with him from before him born. Yeah? You hear me say? You know say that. Come.
Yeah,
come again.
We talk about 49 too.
Come again, man. Fight.
So director Mr. Garden.
Me catch up. We can stand up at the door here and look. Run back. Fight, man. Literal fight. You know what? More energy night, man. Let me say action, more energy night. Run more, Juta. Walk up, man. Juta. Walk up, man. Ready now. Walk up, Juta. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't fight my youth. I wanna do that, you can't do that, man. Yeah. Yo, I'm a son still, I'm a feel proud now, but you can't. But you say I take care of the girl in my youth.
Yeah, take care of what we don't want, this one.
Yo, you can't.
Wait. Stop, don't
You can't say no one, this one.
Hold on, Panar.
Yeah.
School, move. You are gonna say no. Me there with him from Chucky's birthday, and he come and want to take me, man. That's all it is.
Close range. Yeah.
Look on him. Him actually. Hungry. Yeah, just
Me, I have blow too.
Yes. Me there with him
No, blow no I say.
Me there with him from his birthday, and the girl want to take me, man.
Yeah.
I have blow and tired.
Simple.
Ready?
Simple.
Ready?
Yeah. You're tired, you know.
You have to blow, yeah.
Just don't fight.
Serious. Ready.
Ready. Give me a look, man. You're mad, you know. I'm not telling you.
Me there with him from his birthday, and the girl want to take me, man.
You girl, you can't do that, man.
Me there with him from his yard.
You know. Hungry, man. Hungry yourself.
A girl, you're mad.
You want to lick again?
Oh, calm down, man.
But me there with him from his barn.
Yo, hear me, man. Say, you go.
Wait.
Yeah.
Me know it two on there with him.
Yeah.
Wait. But you know look good. Wait. Understand? I'm a boy, I love him, proud of him. Come again. Bring them closer. Action.
You know if you fight, man. I'm a boy, you know. I'm feel proud of you.
Energy, no, man. You have to keep up with the energy. No, don't say no. Just that.
Punch you, basically.
Energy, man. Energy.
I want me case to go pink, man.
One more clap, paint that support. Come on.
I want me case.
Come again. Your father, you know, man. Ready?
I'm done, man. I'm a son still, you know. I'm a proud of him still, but you know fine.
Officer smiling. You know what take place out of some?
You know, sir, they are pre-war about me.
You don't really know what
I get the full info, and I mean the blueprint not really.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know what's happening here?
No.
John was star. Everly. What go on? Do you know what's happening here?
Right, so making the best movies in the universe. Right, yes, so.
Yeah, but specifically that scene I may ask about though.
But just come.
Okay.
I'm new to this specific scene.
Okay.
Something else.
Well, what more you up to from when?
Yeah.
You just there?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some.
You buy more room? Can I get some? More?
But just young cup.
Yeah, I love how it tastes. You mix it perfect for me. Just care.
I made a rum mixture.
Alright. So my property there, I always have my name on it, you know.
Hey, property this?
See you see my name on her. Look good, see if you see my name on her.
Shakaberry. What do you make a corn stone?
Hey people, we are going to see and go see what I go on with them people. So. Officer don't know what going on.
No, I don't know what going on.
Friend here don't know what going on either. Missy here. Boy, they ain't hot in that place though.
I tell you, when you come on here.
Johnny, what's that?
What do you have to carry back there?
We're going up there, guys. Sagan, man always never have no shot. It ain't big good. So, how are you going on, sir? Where you film?
What a movie name for you?
What you say? Hey, we have follow them until we find out where go on people. Because you figure out what go on it still, no? Alright, we have follow them people.
Come on there.
Come on, don't you see me? Shaka Berry come. Alright, so we are going to find out what go on people. In the meantime, just click like on the video and definitely subscribe. You know I think go December, so I have milk cup here as well.
No credit.
Oh, yeah, wait, man, I'm curious.
Come on.
Kemar! I'll get Kemar. Who we get hot? Come, we want to talk to you a little bit. What's up?
Talk to me.
No, G's and P's. Behave yourself, woman. Anyways, long time I not see you. What have you been up to? How the
Since the last time we spoke, I don't know if you remember.
How far
When
you
I
work
get
there?
a call for a job, I did the interview and they called me. I know I'm a front office agent at Sandals Negro.
So how has that been? How has that been?
It
for you?
has been horrible. But guess what?
Come do some acting, man.
What's acting?
No, do some more news reading and anything there.
I hate me come first still.
So you gonna do some of that today?
Yeah man, I'm going to do it.
But Everly, you're not dressed like a news lady, you know.
I have my jacket. Me not talk about no pit, but a pit no enough for the man. Me have like jacket for go over my shoulder.
So you have your suit up thing already?
Right,
So I got suit up this evening before you go?
I'm just gonna put my jacket on.
Alright, so we are going to see our people suit up. And one next reminder for, as a matter of fact, you tell them, subscribe and like.
Poems by Everly Graham,
And yes, too.
Richard Brown Films, and
Yeah, so that video where them watch, them for subscribe, yes, too.
please subscribe to this video.
Yes, thank you.
That's Akeem right there.
Yo, you're gonna make one bad thumbnail, you know. I swear them all click like worries. Just give them 2 poses now. 2 bad boy pose. Boy. One more. 2 boy. No, sir. Richard, I gonna have hard feet. Later. Yo. How you drive go?
This is the hungry thing.
I'm not here curious as I need there now, sir.
Same, sir?
They must want to best of act.
You come right now?
I don't know. Are you going to buy food?
Hunger.
You going to get food?
It's being hungry.
You rob somebody else? Alright, we get food and come back then?
Yeah.
Alright, go get food. So people, we'll get food in case curious not stop. We up there, so we'll get some food and come back.
Agent.
I not top video, you know, Everly. Not top video. Because I know so they go love you in this video. You go hear them ask, who is that lady?
They know me. You did an interview with me before.
Yeah, but I saw new people I know every time I subscribe. All the while, they always
You
subscribe.
didn't tell me?
Yeah, because I always tell them to subscribe, so I always have new people that subscribe. By the way, people, a couple of them didn't even show me earlier. A courtesy
My best friend.
Miss Everly here.
I got.
I made that wait on with the come on, road,
Are you
hungry.
married?
Who married?
I'm married too.
If who married?
Alright, that's
How we are asking them married? You still not drive it? Road. Later. So them are my boss, you say I want to get food, but them are shoot. Alright, straight up. Shaka Berry people and I know I didn't get your name, miss. What's your name? Oh, I still don't know her name, people. Alton, this film. Rasta man.
So far there?
Kinda mad out, isn't it?
Blood clot now.
Right now?
Too forward. Where forward go?
Talk to her.
Carry over this and shoot the one scene.
Selassie, right away, where forward?
Alright, Selassie, hero.
Work up before belly.
Yeah, of course.
Tragic.
Tragic.
Coming from afar. We have to park the car. Yeah. Oh guys, a fun island.
So quick shoot before food. So Alton, tell me about your plans for Locks, you know. And turn real Rasta man.
Don't have the jet. This is not a
So yeah, people, big boy, I plan to make one little transformation.
Yeah, I mean, we don't want hungry. They want hungry with the Rasta now. The Rasta are hungry, you know. Oh, too much food there. The Rasta are hungry.
Selassie, I know.
Food there to the limit.
Frost your blows and skirt, watch him.
You want out?
I'm not so great. Let me carry. No, no, come on, carry. Right now, your bag, can your bag roll some things in it? No. You should have one bag. All right. Hold up.
Where do I get that?
Huh? What is that? So you go carry a bag, give me a bag. Make sure you are coming with it. You are coming with everything. You are alone, you are coming with everything. So when you are coming in the bag now, you are in the road. Me in the road, man, I will arrest, man. You are coming with the car now. You have to go to the road, go to the car, for the car, you know. Me and say, yo, here what? You hungry? I guess I may have to see if I can get something to eat. So the boy come out there, like, and pull my foot, pull over the side of the road, or whatever. She come, she goes to, where, you can't imagine so. And say, hungry man, hungry, so they have a sitting there where you have. I say, yo, come out, take them and sit and come out the road. You come out the road. That's simple, man. That's really a showcase for people.
Yeah.
Yeah, come see everything we are doing. Hungry is a food I told. A food I told, I can't cross it. Eh? You go for candy. When you for candy with it, you will take it from them. You understand? Yes. You just push off. Mommy later. I lost money having this, so go and go look up girl and save her life. Yeah, so you get the chiropractor and money. I say you know what that bad. In the last month, when I didn't know you remember see that in your bag, right? Take out it and give me some more that road, man. You struggle with the two bag get one. You look at what is the habit to my lab. And you're gone. Hungry, man. You have come out that car now.
Yes. Ready? Come out the road, man. Let me say that. Yeah, come back.
Let us some food. Food. Food, man. Food. Food. Hungry. You know that food. Hungry, man. Hungry. Food.
Come out the road. Come out the road.
saying this boss is saying hungry too. Boss is saying hungry too. Man saying no come out the road.
Hold on. You been there, Karen? Come on. Come on, come on. Come out the road, King. How you the road?